Hey guys, Merry Christmas Eve. It's Emem back with another video. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season. This video is gonna be on my pamper routine. It is holiday themed, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So I am just taking off my earrings and getting into the Zen mode, you know, like the comfort and just like the calm mode, and I'm just lighting some candles, getting into the mood of relaxing and just being there. So actually before today, I actually got my nails done, I got a pedicure done, and also got my nails done. As you can see, I actually just got gray on my toenails, and then I got my nails done as well. Just wanted to show you guys that because that was part of my whole pamper routine. And to be festive, I got them done in this beautiful green color. I wanted to be festive but not too festive, so I didn't go with red. I went with the dark green, which I really love. And so now back to my at-home spa. So the first thing that I do during my pamper routine is just to put on my favorite face scrub. So this is the St. Ives face scrub, the apricot face scrub. It's very popular. I always use this. It's just my favorite one to use. It actually washes my face and it's actually like soapy, so I really like the beads and everything. So I just put that on, and that's usually what I put on before I jump into the shower. And so I'm also going to be treating my lips, and so I made this DIY lip scrub that I found online, and so I actually made it and I'm actually going to show you guys how I did that. So for the lip scrub, I used sugar, coconut oil, and some honey. So as you can see, I took about a tablespoonful of coconut oil. I actually needed it to be soft, and I really didn't want to go downstairs to use the microwave, so I just used my candle and kind of melted it up. It actually worked. Like, I actually got melted coconut oil, so tip. And so I used some honey, put in like a tablespoon of honey as well, and just mixed that up into the solution, and that just gave me like a creamy or honeyish look. And then I added some sugar to it. You can also use brown sugar. Actually, I actually said brown sugar, but I had white sugar, so I'm not gonna go like buy brown sugar. So that's what it looks like. I added a little bit of water, and I'm just gonna pour it into this old container that I had, one of my old moisturizer containers. And yeah, that's what I use on my lips, and that's what I'm putting on right now. It made my lips feel so soft, also because of the coconut oil, which like softens your lips, and just being able to like use a sugar that has like that feels like the beads, and to scrub your lips takes off like the dead cells and everything. So that made me feel good. Now I'm gonna jump into the shower to get clean. You know, you gotta clean that body and just like relax in the under the hot shower and also shave and just get in my calm zone. And right after that, I'm actually going to be using a clay mask on my skin. I actually use this thing a lot. As you can see, the container is almost done. Also, all the products that I use are going to be listed down in the description box if you guys want to check them out. And yeah, I put that on and I head over to prepare my bath. So now I'm just putting in some water in my bath and just letting that fill up. And while that's happening, I'm gonna put on some candles. As you can see, light some candles and put them around the bathtub just to get that calm spa feeling. You know, you have to put the aesthetic in there, you know, so you can rest. And now I'm just pouring some Epsom salt into the bath. I just got this from Target. It's just a Target brand. Some bubble bath, and I actually found this bath bomb at Target. It's called Jingle Bomb. It was like Christmas themed, so I was like, that's cute. So I just popped that in there, and it was just so pretty, fizzled out, and yeah, I created a really nice, beautiful bath. Also, of course, you've got to have some like a wine or something. I just got the Martinelli sparkling cider, you know, acting like I'm drinking wine, but put that in a wine thing, and the lights went off, and look at how pretty that was. It was so pretty. I jumped into well, not exactly jump, I stepped into the bath, and that was really relaxing and just a really nice time. And yeah, I just relaxed and enjoyed my bath. Now once I'm out of the bath, I am going to now wash the clay mask off my face. It's dry, so it's not like a peel off, it's just a wash off, so it basically just wash off your face. And so yep, that's what I did after that. And so I'm just putting on some Vaseline on my lips because they felt really dry. And for the next thing I'm actually gonna do, I got a sheet mask, which I'm really excited about. I've actually never used one of these before, but I've seen people use it and I wanted to try it out. I got the aloe vera, like an aloe vera flavored one. And to be honest, this felt so good. It was like so refreshing. I put it on my face and it was so cold and so like nice. So I just put that on my face and like peeled the back off and just like stuck that to my face. Like it felt really, really good, and I'm so happy that I did that. I'm definitely gonna be doing this more. And then I just went ahead and lotioned my body and had that throughout that process. And now I'm just gonna take this off, and as you can see how I was just like, oh my god, this felt so good. So now I'm just rubbing the remaining product into my skin. That's what it said to do on the pack, and so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I just rubbed it in and it felt really good. And once that was dry, I grabbed my eye cream from Body Shop. That's usually what I use. If you want to see my full body skincare routine, I actually already have a video on that. You should check it out. It's linked in my description box and also up there in the cards. So check that video out for my full body routine. You would see all the products that I use. And now I'm just using my face moisturizer and from that same line. And yeah, that's it from my face, and that was very refreshing, and it felt so good after everything. And just put more Vaseline on my lips just to moisturize my lips. So once I'm done in the bathroom, it's time to chill, just time to like take my mind off of stuff. I'm actually going to get some ice cream. This is a mint chocolate chip ice cream, you know, going in that Christmas holiday theme, and so that's what I'm going to be eating tonight. As you can see, the ice cream was really hard, and so it took me a while to get a scoop out, so that was actually very funny. But I did get some scoops out, and that was really delicious. So now I'm just gonna sit down with my Bible and my journal and just read my Bible, write stuff in my journal, plan some stuff, just chill and just have my mind reset and just calm and rested and relaxed. Also, you can see the beautiful Christmas tree right beside where I'm sitting, and so that's why this whole video is Christmas holiday season. Really excited. Christmas is tomorrow. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just liked me just showing you my pamper routine. Hope you guys have a pamper day for yourself also this holiday season. Don't get worked up, don't get stressed out with family. Just chill, you know, enjoy time with family, with loved ones, and yeah, have an amazing Christmas and holiday season, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and just join the family, and I will see you in my next video. Have an amazing day. Peace and strength. Bye.